Travel is a great experience that can be full of fun and adventure, but sometimes you can face challenges that make the journey complicated. Here are some solutions to deal with travel issues. Flight delays. Avoid tight-time trips to call other flights. Carry with you things that are necessary in the handbag to avoid discomfort in case of delay. Baggage loss. Keep valuables and necessities in a handbag. Make sure you have a reliable address and phone number to communicate in case of baggage loss. High travel costs. Compare prices and find deals and special offers before booking. Estimate your budget accurately and find economical meals and public transportation. Difficulty of communicating in different languages. Use translation apps and dictionaries on your smartphone. Learn basic phrases in local language and respect local customs. Exposure to fraudulent operations. Be careful and do not share important personal information with strangers. Use secure credit cards and check ratings and reviews before booking. Visa problems. Search for visa requirements for your destination and apply for a visa in a timely manner. Avoid delaying visa application to avoid unwanted surprises. Tourism pressure in famous locations. Visit off-peak attractions. Look for less crowded alternative travel destinations to avoid crowding. Hotel booking issues. Book in advance and confirm your booking confirmation. Keep a copy of the hotel's booking and contact information. Postponing or canceling planned events. Find options to refund the cost of booking. Plans for fun alternatives that may be available in case of postponement. Various customs laws and regulations. Find local laws and regulations before you travel. Avoid transporting prohibited or restricted objects. Personal health and safety. Carry basic first aid tools in the travel bag. Follow the safety and public health guidelines at your destination. Safety and crime. Save a copy of your passport and identity documents in a safe place. Avoid unsafe areas and be wary of theft. Solutions to the remaining problems will be followed up in a separate message.